What's up, what's up, what's up? Sorry, I was watching that trout run. All right, guys, here we go. All right, we got eBay breaks for August the 11th. We got 2 breaks. TriStar mini helmet 2-box break number 9. And Tribute Baseball 3-box break number 3. For TriStar, Dave D has the Rams, Patriots, Michael with the Vikings, Wayne, Dolphins and Seahawks, Ryan Jordan the Saints, Willie P the Chiefs and the Titans, Solas the Jets, Jacob the Giants, Kyle S Chargers, Falcons, Packers, Colts, Lions, Jarrett the Broncos, Corey Morrison the Texans and Bears, Ted the Jaguars and Raiders, McLean the Cowboys, Dunlap the Browns, Dorsett the Cardinals and the Bengals, Dunaway the Steelers, William B the 49ers and Bucks, Torrenti the Eagles, Paul W the Panthers, Kevin B the Bills, Michael T the Ravens, and Cat Zeke the Skins. I don't want to ruin that for you, Kevin. But no, unfortunately not. JM Rome took it down. All right, those are the spots for the helmets. Good luck, guys. Helmet number 1 is going to the Dallas Cowboys, and it's a Bob Lilly classic TriStar helmet. Bob Lilly for the Cowboys. Hall of Fame 80 inscription. Helmet number 2. Nice throwback helmet there. Good player too. You don't see a lot of John Hannah. Hall of Fame 91. John Hannah. So we got Cowboys for McLean. And we got Patriots for Dave D. Now we got some tribute to get to. Alright, 3-box break number 3 for tribute. Dave D has the A's, Uval, the Yankees, and the Red Sox. Hayes, Phillies, Marlins, Brewers, Jays, Nationals. Charlie P, the Mets. Jacob A, the Giants. Fanberg, the Padres. Severs, the White Sox and Pirates. Mark H, the Reds and Twins. Derek, the Dodgers. Kelsey, the Angels and Cubs. James G, the Mariners. Mike E, the Royals. Paoli, the Rockies. Sizemore, the Tigers. John S, the Astros. Larry, the Indians. Fleming, the Cardinals. Kwong, the Rays. Dunaway, the Rangers. Richard Warren, the Orioles. Hanks, the Braves. And McChesney, the Diamondbacks. Let's do it. Tribute has been good to us so far. Let's hope it continues tonight. Those all feel about the same. Clayton Kershaw. Will do, Kevin. Will do. Altuve. And for the Yankees, to 150, Relic, Luis Severino. /50, Josh Hader for the Brewers. Alomar base. And boom. 22/25 for the Rangers. There you go, Kevin Dunaway. It's not Nolan Ryan, but it's Adrian Beltre. 22/25. Those are my favorite cards in the set. Adrian Beltre at 25. Nice hit. Kevin, nice hit. Chris Bryant. Mark McGuire. And for the Yankees, 39/150, Justice Sheffield. Vlad Sr. Whit Merrifield. And dual relic for the Astros, 68/150, Correa and Springer. I think that's our last auto. Let's save it. Let's do the relic first. Pedro Martinez, Jose Ramirez. Triple relic, AJ Pollock for the Diamondbacks. /150. Slaughter. Killebrew. And for the Rays, 70/99, Austin Meadows. There you go, Mr. Kwong, Austin Meadows. Boom, we got another one of these 1951s. Ooh, and a redemption. Ed Snyder for the Dodgers. Tribute to 1951 for the Dodgers. Derek M. There you go, sir. Jacob deGrom. And relic for the Red Sox. Blue autograph parallel, Xander Bogaerts. For the Red Sox, Mr. Uval. Verlander, Juan Soto. Relic to 150 for the Astros, Carlos Correa. Jackie Robinson, Aaron Judge. And autograph for the Yankees, Mariano Rivera. Boom, son. That's what I'm talking about. Mariano, 9 of 15. For the Yankees, Uval strikes again. Dominating this box, Uval. Bo Jackson, Anthony Rizzo. And for the Twins, 47 of 50, Buxton and Rosario. Those are not wanting to go in. Rosario to 50 for the Twins. Joe Morgan for the Reds, base. And JD Martinez, triple relic for the Red Sox. With the little holograms on, I don't know that they're probably worth more than just your regular relic, just because it tells you what game it's from. It's pretty neat. Reese Hoskins and Babe Ruth. And Vlad Jr. Boom, son. To 199. Vlad Jr. Nick Hayes. That was a good box right there. Rivera, Bogaerts, and Vlad Jr. Last box. JD Martinez, Mark McGuire, and Chris Sale to 99. George Springer to 50. Eddie Murray. And for the Reds, 92 of 99, Votto and Billy Hamilton. Springer, Mattingly. And for the Rockies, triple relic LeMahieu to 150. I think that was from his no-hitter. Catfish Hunter with Merrifield. Somebody freaking tell Dunaway he got his Nolan Ryan. 1 of 30 Nolan Ryan tribute to enshrinement. Boom, son. It's about time I hit your Nolan Ryan for you, Kevin. There you go, sir. Always good to hit the guy somebody PCs for them. Rosario, Blake Snell. And for the Cardinals, to 199, Tyler O'Neill. Hank Aaron. Jose Ramirez. Right, James. What a difference a night can make. And last card, Paul DeYoung, 90 of 99 for the Cardinals. All right, let's recap our autos. That was a solid one there. Solid break. Tribute comes through again. Tyler O'Neill, Paul DeYoung, Nolan Ryan, Vlad Jr., Rivera, Bogarts, the tribute to 1951, Snyder for the Dodgers, Austin Meadows, Justice Sheffield, and Adrian Beltre at 25. Appreciate you guys taking those spots tonight. Thanks as always. We've got that Optic Pack Wars coming up next, and that will finish out the night. I'll be back live in just a few minutes.